Alright, I just wrote one like a week ago that I'm going to attempt to play. It's just about, really like, about my life. And it's pretty honest. I'm probably going to mess up, but it's alright. Well, you all know me. If this ends up with you and I, or another man catches your eye, either way I'll be fine. I'm not that kind of guy, 'cause when I'm in a relationship, I stuff it full of things just to make it fit, and my heart always pulls out of it. I'm just that kind of guy. I would bounce around, chase and tell, sometimes succeed, other times I'd fail. Call my fans to pay my bill. I once was that kind of guy, and I get to roam from town to town. Though Mom wants me to settle down, with little ones running around. I'm not yet that kind of guy. Well, an uncle is what I love to be. I play with the kids and then I leave. Save some time just for me. I'm just that kind of guy, and yet I veer away from the ills of stress, knowing that I do my best. I'm just that kind of guy, and I hover in the neutral realm. Picking sides gets me overwhelmed, but there's no more battles out there.